Did you know that we teach people how to use foam boards and epoxy to make their very own shower walls? Well, you start off by cutting the foam to size. We take 4x8 sheets of pink insulation foam you could pick up from the Home Depot. Then we use our quick coat epoxy to apply a fiberglass meshing to reinforce that foam panel for the shower or bathtub application. This quick coat is ready to sand in 3 or so hours. Then we paint that panel with our epoxy undercoat, let that fully dry. Now we're mixing up epoxy. I'm making these shower wall samples here to show potential customers how durable and strong the finished panel will be. For this earth tone marble, I mixed up our normal stone coat countertop epoxy designed for the do-it-yourselfer and tinted the material with brown liquid dye, copper, black, dark bronze, blue earth, and a little bit of diamond dust mica powder. Pour all the tinted colors back into that larger mixing bucket. Now we're pouring that bucket right over that shower panel or countertop. This epoxy technique is also used by beginners and pros to create realistic marble counters or tabletops right over existing surfaces. A quick pass with the heat source removes any air incorporated to the epoxy while mixing and tinting and working with it. Now this is my favorite project I've ever created using blue pearl mica powder. When the light moves across the project, it catches that blue pearl and it looks stunning. I also use some white dye, white and silver mica powder. Stone Coat is customizable to fit any existing home decor. You wouldn't believe it, but I've actually been asked to match an entire kitchen to this lady's throw pillow. The project turned out, but that was a pretty wild request. Let me know in the comments below, do you want to see a full step-by-step tutorial on how to create and install your very own epoxy shower wall panels? We've got some exciting things coming your way. Be sure to subscribe right now, ring that bell to get notified every time we drop a new video.